Hello, welcome to the stock market analysis. My lecture today will be about mastering chart patterns, the reverse cup with handle pattern. This is part of the mastering chart pattern series. So if you're interested in learning how to maximize chart patterns and how to trade it and how to make use of it, do subscribe to my channel, as I'll be doing more of this. And it's really interesting to learn how chart patterns can actually hint of what is there to come. Now today we're going to deal with the reverse cup with handle. And let me first address why learn chart patterns. Very simply, chart patterns are the footprints of money, and sometimes they appear again and again and again, and you can make use of this and predict what might happen to the stock. And today we'll be going to be dealing with bearish reversal chart pattern. So if you see this reverse cup with handle pattern happening, it can actually help you to save yourself from a bearish move in the stock or a crash. And if you are really good at it and learn how to short stocks, you can also trade out of this pattern. So it's a lot of benefits when you learn this pattern. Alright, let's take a look at the stock chart of Intel Corporation, the INTC, and this is how the reverse cup and handle looks like. And just look at this stock. Gap down and then traded sideways and boom, all the way down. Imagine if you were holding the stock, you could have saved yourself from a lot of losses and trouble if you know how to identify chart pattern. Well, this stock has been giving traders and investors a lot of gains all right up to here, and then trouble started to happen as it declined. So where is the reverse cup with handle pattern? Well, actually, here is the reverse cup and handle pattern. Let me just draw for you to see. Alright, this is what the cup and handle looks like. So this is the cup and then this is the handle itself. And what happens is the stock trades up, kind of curve down, and then it forms a handle trading sideways. And when it breaks below the handle, there is a massive sell-off, a downtrend. So if you are a trader, you can actually short the stock when it breaks below this handle. Put a stop loss here. So if you just take a short position, and okay, around here you short it, and let's say it's about here right now. All right, and the stop is here. So okay. It will be a risk-reward ratio of 2.09. All right, quite interesting chart pattern. Now, sometimes it may be a bit hard for you to spot this pattern in the daily chart unless you are a very seasoned trader, you are a very seasoned analyst. But what you can do is, this is the day, move over to the weekly, and there you go. You can see this stock moving higher. And then you can see this cup with handle pattern. Of course, reverse cup with handle. Now, there are many reasons why this stock kind of form this pattern and decline like this. Now, one of the reasons is you have to look left here. There was a lot of supply here. This was a huge area of supply. Right, this entire big chunk is an area of supply. And it's not going to be easy to overcome this whole red area. And when the stock went up, Intel went up, it got hammered down, it traded sideways, and then that is where the short can happen, where the stock is weak. Alright, because of the amount of supply here. If you look at the monthly chart, you can actually see things even more clearer. Stock went down, went up, unable to break through this whole area of supply, and then it goes down. Right, very interesting construction. So the other thing is that the stock actually wasn't doing very well. We have a bearish cross here where the 20 MA goes below the 50 MA, and both of them are kind of slanting down. And by the time it breaks down at this support level, there was a topping tail, a massive gap down, 20 MA declining 50 MA declining, and this is like a waterfall cascading down. Not a very pretty picture for those who are holding the stock. So next time when you see a stock doing this kind of pattern, reverse cup and handle pattern, you have to be very, very careful, because there might be a lot of sell-off, right? And it can save you a lot of pain as well. Now, one good thing about this kind of pattern is that it gives us a target. You can actually take the height from the highs here to the support area, the handle, and this is the height. You clone it or copy or whatever, all right, and then you project it downwards from here. So the target is about 31.91, and the target has already been met, isn't it? But it's still declining because it's below the 20 MA. You can take profits once the target has been met, and take another profit while after it goes back above the 20 MA. So this is part of the chart pattern mastery. Right now and then, when I see great patterns, when I see patterns in a chart, I will do videos like this. So if you enjoy this kind of lessons where we look at real charts, do subscribe to my channel so you can be updated if I see many more patterns like that. It's very interesting to study history, to learn from chart patterns, because patterns just repeat themselves again and again. So I do hope that this lecture is helpful to you, this short lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.